Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. I'm here with John. He's got a very original 1990 Ford F350 four-wheel drive regular cab long bed. No substitute for originality, huh, John?
That's the truth.
So tell me about it.
It's a Lariat, so it's the top trim level.
Mm-hmm.
It's got a 460 big block in it with a 5-speed manual transmission. 355 gears. The color is Mariner Blue. Forget the name of the white, but
Probably Oxford.
it could be Oxford white. 8-foot bed, regular cab, bench seats, AM, FM, cassette. Original factory radio, still works great.
Cool. So you got a set of new rims on it and tires.
Yep.
New brake lines.
Michelin. It's got a bed liner, original rear bumper.
Cool. Class 3 tow package.
Yep.
And original paint.
Wiring all works for the trailer.
Very cool. They called this the brick front end, right?
This is the brick front. Yep. Yep. I think it started at 88 and went to 91.
Yeah. And those rims are 94 probably?
Yeah, 90, I believe, definitely 95, 96, and 97 they were factory.
Yeah, looks good with those.
Yeah, it really does. It fits the truck perfect. It gives it a little wider stance.
Man, looks like it came from out west somewhere.
It's an Oregon truck.
Okay.
I got it from there. The original plate is still on the truck.
Cool.
Original exhaust.
Power windows.
Power windows, power door locks.
Common.
Air conditioning works great.
This is common for these 90s trucks.
Oh yeah.
And the primer just sucked. Whatever they did.
They did.
It ruined it.
Yeah, someone at one point, touched up the roof a little bit, but that's what it is.
It's super cool. Like I said, no substitute for originality in these things. It's just neat.
It is the truth.
So, yeah, see, did some work to it right off the bat. I saw new brake lines in here. Right? Super solid.
Shocks are newer.
Shocks are newer. Just solid, man. Power locks, windows, tachometer, sliding rear window. Great shape. Seats original, huh? Beautiful. This is when you could slide your girlfriend real close.
Oh yeah.
Cruise control. Wow, super cool.
Yeah. Dual fuel tanks.
And 121,000 or 21?
I'm not 100% sure, but
I wouldn't be surprised if it had 21 on it.
Yeah.
Maybe 121, who knows? Super nice dash. It's got the original owner's manuals, protecto plate. I mean, everything that come from the factory. 5-speed manual, original radio, AM, FM, cassette. It's got air? Wow.
Yeah.
Air works?
It works great.
Huh. Frickin' cool. Love it. Can I start it up?
Sure. I think I left it in gear.
I love these old trucks, man.
Very nice.
Super cool. Yeah, I didn't even touch the gas. Wow. It's way nicer than I thought it would be. Factory bed liner. Killer. Let's check out under the hood. There she is. Power brakes, power steering, new throttle body.
You get.
Okay. That's all original. Motor's run forever too. This went trucks for truck.
Oh yeah.
Love this double snorkel. New hoses. Catalyst. Super cool. New battery. I love how you put a Motorcraft battery in it.
Yeah.
Very neat. You know, these trucks are normally just roached out. People used them.
Okay.
It's cool to find one in this condition. Either that or they lift them, and, you know, with swapper tires and all that on it.
That's right.
Beautiful shape, jeez. Is that a new bed light up there?
Yep.
Really?
It's not a fair tail light. It's back in this year. It's just a bed light.
It's a bed light, yeah. I don't think they came out with that tail light probably until late 90s. Super cool. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. John, nice seeing you. Give us a call, 631-339-0399. You can check out about 200 photos today I took on the website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.